Looking for the best kitchen scale? Our experts researched 27 models before selecting 5 of the best options to test side by side. This update includes this year's most popular models that we've tested in our kitchens. There are many products available to choose the best kitchen scales for you, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best kitchen scales for you from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Best High-Capacity Scale Nicewell 22-pound Digital Kitchen Scale. The Nicewell 22-pound digital kitchen scale has a clean aesthetic and offers a much greater capacity than most other options. At 10 kilograms, about 22 pounds, the maximum capacity is more than enough for almost any home kitchen project. The base of the Nicewell is grippy, and the overall scale itself is pretty heavy. This makes for a highly stable scale that doesn't get easily pushed around. The large, smooth stainless steel platform of the Nicewell shows smudges and fingerprints more than others. Cleaning is only possible with gentle wiping, no liquids allowed, according to product instructions. In our accuracy testing, the Nicewell was decent but couldn't register the very smallest loads. Only a few scales in our review could differentiate between masses under 3 grams. If you're seeking a clean aesthetic, take a look at this beautiful stainless steel contender with a high capacity. Number 2. Good performance at a great price. Greater Goods Digital Food and Kitchen. The Greater Goods Digital Food and Kitchen is small and sleek. The diminutive construction and gray color scheme virtually disappear in any kitchen, which we appreciate very much. In our accuracy test, it was an average performer. However, average accuracy, in this case, is pretty darn good. A 1-gram error here and there is hardly noticeable in typical kitchen or home use. Thecr 2032 battery is fairly common, but not as standard as the AAA batteries that others employ. Thankfully, batteries in a kitchen scale last a long time. In our repeated head-to-head boot-up races, the Greater Goods scored near the bottom of the pack. It differs from our leader by almost 1 second. This may seem minor, but in the application, this can mean the difference between actually using your scale for portion control versus skipping that step in your meal preparations. Boot-up time is one of the biggest differentiators in this otherwise pretty comparable category of consumer electronics. When weighing your food is an optional but valuable step, having a scale that powers on quickly removes a potential barrier to executing that task. This model is for those looking for a smaller scale at a good price. Number 3. Best Bang for the Buck Etekcity Pronto Digital Multifunction. The Etekcity Pronto Digital Multifunction Kitchen Scale is versatile, compact, inexpensive, and as accurate as it claims to be. It boots up quickly and is available in many different colors. It uses standard AAA batteries. In our accuracy testing, it, along with just a few others, weighed every calibrated load exactly as advertised, to the nearest whole gram. The 6-kilogram capacity of the Etekcity is larger than average. Our primary complaint with the Etekcity is its small weighing platform. The round platform doesn't provide a lot of space to fit things onto the scale. The higher than average load capacity doesn't amount to much because you don't have space to put bigger items on the scale. One feature we did find to be useful is the small lip around the edge. Round things are a little less likely to roll off the Etekcity. Additionally, the unlit display screen was less pleasant to use than the backlit versions on higher scoring models. Overall, this is a basic but high-quality scale offered at a good price. Number 4. Best for Meal Preppers. Greater Goods Nourish Digital. The Greater Goods Nourish Digital Food Scale is a niche option for those who want to get serious about meal prep and nutritional content. This scale comes with a handbook of over 2,000 foods that, in conjunction with weighing your food, lets you enter a corresponding code that will tell you the nutritional content of whatever you weighed. Want to know how many calories are in that piece of cheese? The Nourish will tell you in one step. The display, though small, is backlit and easy to read. The scale is also equipped with rubberized feet on the bottom to keep it from sliding around. It has a reasonably fast boot-up time, going from off to weigh ready in about 2 seconds. Its accuracy, although not perfect, is in line with all the other scales we tested. The nutritional content function makes the scale more complicated to use than most and is entirely reliant on having the food code bank manual on hand or memorized, like those brilliant grocery store checkers that know every fruit and vegetable code. With its focus on nutritional content and meal prep, the only units it displays are grams and ounces. While you could use this to weigh anything, we found the nutritional content display to be visually distracting and too specialized for everyday use. If meal prep is part of your weekly ritual, this niche scale might be exactly what you're looking for. Number 5. Kitchen Ready Units. Etekcity Kitchen Digital Scale. The Etekcity Kitchen Digital Scale features a wide selection of measurement units, is small, and looks clean and simple. It can measure in grams, ounces, and pounds. It will accurately deduce the volume of water and milk and liquids of similar and respective density by these fluids' mass. We performed 4 different weight accuracy tests with each tested scale. Some got every single test correct to the nearest tenth of a gram. None had more than 2 errors, and when they did, the error was never more than 1 gram. The Etekcity missed 2 weights. This makes it the poorest performing scale in terms of accuracy in our test. One measurement was too much by 1 gram and another was too little by 1 gram. This may sound dramatic, but it isn't. In all but the most precise of applications, the errors we found with the Etekcity will be entirely unimportant. If you commonly operate in such precise situations, you likely require a science-grade balance. Consumer-grade kitchen electronics like this don't stack up. This is for the consumer looking for a wide range of unit selections that don't require absolute precision. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. If you want to know the details of a particular product, please comment. Thanks for staying with Creation Tech.